How to appear offline on Instagram. So in this video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how you guys can go ahead and appear offline on Instagram. So as you guys can see right now, I have a person in my direct messages by the name of Frenzy. Now he actually has a green dot right next to his profile picture, and that indicates that he is actually online. Now if you want to go ahead and appear offline so Frenzy doesn't see you or anybody else doesn't see you, all you have to go ahead and do is make sure you guys head over to your profile and then go ahead and click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and then click settings. Once you go ahead and do that, click privacy, and then under privacy there's going to be a setting called activity status. Now make your way down to that and go ahead and click it. Once you go ahead and click it, you should be able to see your activity status here. Now as you can see that my activity status is actually being shown right now. So if I want to go ahead and appear offline on Instagram, all I have to do is go ahead and toggle this off, and that's pretty much going to go ahead and show me appearing offline on Instagram. So that's going to turn off my activity status and show me offline. So if I head back to Frenzy, it's now going to show that he doesn't have a green little LED button thing, and it's basically going to show me offline. So that's how you go ahead and appear offline on Instagram, guys. It's super simple, it's super easy. And with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and as well as hopefully you enjoyed the explanation as well. Make sure to leave a comment what you guys thought of the explanation, if it was bad or not. But make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.